Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I did this box frame picture wall art. I don't even know how to call them, but they're super awesome. I only spent $4, so if you want to go ahead and see how I made it, make sure you stick around. So what you'll be needing for this project are 6 of the square frames from Dollar Tree. I'm using 6 because I'm going to create shadow box frames, and you'll be needing 3 per shadow box frames. So in total is 6 of the frames. I'm going to start by removing the backing, the cardboard, the paper, and the glass. I'm also going to be removing from 2 of the frames, the little black things, I don't know how they call them, from the back of the frames that hold the glass together. I am going to remove them from 2 of the frames and leave them in 1. The next step that I'm going to also be doing is grabbing my E6000 and gluing the glass to one of the frames. So here you see me gluing the, pretending to glue my glass to the frame. And then I'm going to set a book on top of it so it can dry. And then I'm going to come in with my second frame. We're going to glue it to our first frame. And then you're going to just make sure that the sides are aligned straight, like flat. And this is how you're going to be able to see how our shadow box frame starting to come to life. Once you have that done, we're gonna go ahead and grab our last frame and glue it to the second one. Now this time you are gonna make sure that the little black thingies that hold the glass are facing up, because we are gonna use them at the end of the video. I'll show you how. So what I'm going to be adding to my shadow box frames are some canvases that I picked up from Dollar Tree. You can do whatever you would like. So these are 2 different ones. They're the same, kind of the same, but they're different ones. And I'm going to be taking, first of all, you have to take this out, because then it's not going to be possible that you're going to be putting it flat to the surface of the glass. So make sure you take it out. Plus we're going to also use it to hang our shadow box frames to the wall. So make sure you hold and save those for later. Here I'm going to just try to center the canvas to the glass as center as possible, because whenever you hang it to the wall, you are going to be able to notice if it's crooked or not. So make sure it's really centered in the middle of the glass. I'm also going to go ahead and use double-sided tape, because I did not want it to use E6000. Just in case I wanted to change the canvas for another one, I can always come back in and remove it, since it is just with double-sided tape, and place a different one there with more double-sided tape. So if you want to do that, you can go ahead and do that and use double-sided tape. If not, then you can go ahead and use your E6000 and hold it and glue it to the glass, so you can have a permanent hold and it doesn't fall off. But then you're gonna have to make sure, like triple make sure, that you are aligning the canvas right in the center of the glass. here I was already finished, so I flipped my glass with my canvas into our shadow box frame that we created. And later on in the video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to use those little black thingies that hold the glass. I'm going to fold those things, you guys, in half, because what I've noticed that whenever I put them down like that and then I hanged it on the wall, you are able to see them through the glass. So I'm gonna fold those in half and I'll show you later on the video. Okay, you guys, so here we're on the last step. I'm gonna go ahead and fold these little things that are sticking out in half, just because I don't want to glue the glass to the frame, just in case if I want to change out the canvas. So I'm gonna go ahead and fold these ones in half and show you how I'm gonna do it. Okay, so the reason behind that I'm doing the folding on these little things is because whenever I'm gonna hang the frame, I'm gonna be able to see those little things sticking out. Let me show you real quick as an example. I'm gonna put these ones down. Do you see them? No, not right? Okay, you can see them there. Let's say this is on the wall. You're gonna be able to see those things, and I don't want that. I already fold this too. Well, actually just one right here. You don't see it as much as this ones, so that's why I'm like folding them in half and then putting them back in place so they can hold the glass so it doesn't fall and break. So that's what I'm doing right now, and it's really easy. You just have to get the hang of it. You need some pliers like this, and you grab the very tip of the black thing, you squeeze it, and then you churn it. Don't do it harshly, because then you're gonna take out the little thing, and then you just squish it like this. You just push it towards the glass. Okay, moving on. Now the next step that I'm gonna go ahead and do, it's the little hanging things that you removed from the canvas piece here. I'm gonna go ahead and use them as the hooks for the frames that I just did. So all I'm gonna do is make sure that they're straight so they can go in there smoothly, and we're gonna go ahead and try to place them as straight as you can on the, make sure you have your frame. Okay, so I'm gonna hang like this, so I'm gonna place it with the little teeth down, and I'm gonna try to place it in the middle. I'm just eyeballing this, you guys. You can always measure it. You feel more comfortable with that. So I'm gonna use my little King Dollar hammer and bang on one side and then come to the other. Little by little, I'm gonna do one side, then the other one. Just so they can go as even as they can, and voila, you have your hanging little hook in there. So I'm ready to hang these babies up. First, I'm gonna take them outside so I can show them to you, so you can see how pretty they look. So this is how they turned out. I showed them to you, hanging them on my restroom where I had them, and they look awesome, you guys. Last time I had him just the wall art canvases that I got from Dollar Tree, because this wall art pieces are from Dollar Tree. I got them for $1 each, and they're different and they're gorgeous. I had to get them, but I thought they were just so simple, and this popped in my head to go ahead and decide and make like a box frame to them so they can stand out more and look more elegant. And this is not exactly what I had in mind. I exactly had in mind with a white background and then this piece sticking out, so like a 3D thingy going on, but I didn't have that. But I love how they turned out. They're awesome for $4, you guys, and it's glass from the top and glass from the back. So you already saw how I did all that. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye.